Wild garlic pickled in soy and shiitake mushrooms, and this is delicious. So firstly, pick yourself some wild garlic. It's coming to the end of its life cycle now, so the leaves are quite large. So I've cut the stalks or stems from the leaves, and then get some soy sauce, apple cider vinegar. I'm using dandelion honey to sweeten, or you could use sugar. And then add shiitake mushrooms, seaweed and dried chilli. Bring that up to the boil, simmer for 10 minutes, and in the meantime you can then start to layer up your wild garlic into tubs or glass containers, whatever you've got, but you want to lay them flat because they eat better and they pickle better. Once your pickling mixture is done, allow that to cool to room temperature, and then pour it over your wild garlic, and make sure you evenly distribute the mushrooms, the dried chilli and the seaweed. And then you want to press the garlic down so it goes beneath the pickling liquor. So I leave this for 10 minutes or so, and eventually the vinegar will do its work and start to break the garlic down. And you can see now how just flavoursome that's going to be. It smells great, and your liquor should taste kind of sweet, salty and sharp. That's what you're looking for, so you can adjust it. Then I put a bag weight on top, lid on, and I'm going to leave this at room temperature for about 2 to 3 weeks to pickle before I taste it. So we'll come back and revisit this one, but get it started now.